Hi and welcome everyone. So today I am going to introduce my patient Namita to you all. Namita was planning a pregnancy at the age of 34 and she had weight issues also, so we had advised her for a lot of medicines to help her get pregnant. One fine day Namita stopped all the medicines and she followed the path of lifestyle modification, and with that she healed herself. She not only got weight loss but she is pregnant today. So congratulations Namita. Please tell us all what exactly did you do for this lifestyle modification.
Yes, actually I have been on medicines since I got COVID, that is from 2020. 2 times I was a COVID patient, so from 2020 I'm going on taking medicines, and that is something nobody likes. So and again when the 2 miscarriages happened, it was like a tight slap on my lifestyle and my eating habits, etc. So that's why I decided to try this and quit all the medicines, and I decided to go on the weight loss journey. It took a long time. I was thinking of 6 months or so, but complete 1 year was the journey. And initially I started with only 1 hour basic walk, nothing else, no other cycling or nothing else, just 1 hour continuous walk. And even in the night I used to walk for 30 minutes with my husband, but it was a leisurely walk, not for exercise purpose. And during the day I did not take any breakfasts, so only fruits and dry fruits I started for breakfast, and then I used to go for the walk. And lunch, early lunch, maybe around 12:30, 1 o'clock, simple dal, chawal, 1 salad and sabzi. I also quit roti and I mean anything with gluten, I started to quit that too. And then maybe at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, tea, coffee sometimes, and then early dinner around 7 to 7:30. And after dinner, after every meal, I had made a point that I'm not going to go and sit on my laptop immediately for the work. I'll take a walk for 10 minutes. So after every meal I used to walk in the house only for 10 minutes with a timer on, and then I used to go back for my work. And again I had quit all the junk food. Only pani puri is the thing which I used to eat occasionally, but other than that for past 1 year I have not eat pizza, burger, samosa, kachori, sweets also very minimum, only during festivals, that too all used to like have one, kuch nahi hota hai types, so I used to have that. But still after having that I used to do more exercise for 20 minutes. So this way I did this consistently for past 1 year, and slowly after 2 months actually I thought कि कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है, मतलब weight तो उतना ही दिख रहा है, but then I thought no, consistency is the key. I have to keep going on. So I decided not to check weight for next 6 months and I did that. And when people started telling me कि अरे नमिता तूने weight loss किया क्या, then I checked my weight and then I saw it's like almost 8 kgs down.
So total weight loss कितना हुआ नमिता?
Total weight loss 12 kgs.
Super. So as we see, weight loss is achievable. You just have to be consistent and disciplined. Not only the type of the food, but the time of food is also equally important. As Namita said, she always used to have meals at fixed times, yes, and a very early dinner.
Yeah.
So that is very important, and exercise has to be consistent and has to be gradual. So as Namita said, she just started with basic walking and then she raved up our exercise routine, and look at what we have got today. So yes, it is possible. Thank you.